Some people were saying they were looking for him to mention about the impeachment. Personally, I'm quite neutral, no? Meaning, if he didn't talk about the impeachment, fine, because it's actually a divisive thing. So it would be dumb if he mentioned it, and dumb if he didn't. So better he didn't mention it. I like the opening about him saying, "I am not the president of my family. I am the president of the Filipino people." I put this in the political context because, of course, the people in the certain opposition would say, ang inuhuli ni Marcos, mga kaalyado lang niya. Of course, they forget that, let's say, the first person to be put in jail is Bong Revilla, who actually belongs to his party. Okay? So Marcos even said he's willing to have Martin Romualdez arrested. And if you watch the speech, he paused a little bit in mentioning that sentence. So, to put in the bigger context, the thing about him being the president of the Filipino people, I think addresses the divisiveness in our political body. If you remember, for example, when this basketball player Ateneo died, um, the name escapes me. Some people put it as a conflict between Mindanao versus Luzon, the poor versus the elite. No, it shouldn't be that way. So very good opening. Also the closing uh, about the let's say saying that we are not racist, we are respectful people. It's a good answer to the anti to fighting China because again there are some people saying, "I we are just xenophobic, anti-Chinese." No, so these are very good answers to common misconceptions about the big conflicts happening now. No,